In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Turbotax password if you've forgotten your Turbotax online user ID or password. Let's make this process as smooth and straightforward as possible for you. To start, open your favorite web browser on your computer or mobile device and navigate to the Turbotax official site. You can do this by typing in the URL or simply searching for Turbotax online. Once the homepage loads, you'll be greeted by a plethora of information about tax filing, but don't worry, our focus is solely on regaining access to your account today. Next, you'll want to make your way over to the login section. Here, you'll typically find prompts asking for your user ID and password. Instead of trying to recall that missing information, enter the email associated with your Turbotax account. This is a crucial step since Turbotax will use this email to communicate with you throughout the password recovery process. Make sure you're entering the correct email to avoid any confusion later on. Now, as you look towards the bottom of the login section, you'll see the link that reads Forgot Password. Go ahead and click on that link. This will direct you to a new page specifically designed to assist users in resetting their passwords. Once you're there, you'll see an option that says choose how you want to verify your identity. This step is essential for securing your online identity and ensuring that no one else can access your account without proper authorization. TurboTax will likely offer you a few different methods for verification, such as a security question, a text message, or an email link sent to your registered email address. Select the option that works best for you. Let's take a moment here to talk about why these steps are important. Security is a big deal, especially when dealing with sensitive information like your tax filings. By choosing a solid method of verification, you're adding an extra layer of protection that keeps your financial details safe and sound. Once you've completed the identity verification step, TurboTax will guide you through the process of setting up a new password. Be sure to create a strong password, something that's unique, complex, and difficult for others to guess. Consider using a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. That's always a good strategy for enhancing security. And there you have it. With your new password set, you can now log back into your TurboTax account with ease. If you encounter any issues or have further questions, TurboTax's help resources or customer support are just a click away. I hope this guide was helpful in navigating you through the process of resetting your TurboTax password. Thanks for watching, and remember to keep your login information safe and secure.